Welcome to Growing English Learner. Let's listen to the following conversation. Good morning, Sally. How are you?
Good morning, Sam. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing good as well.
That's good to hear. Sam, meet my friend Kelly. Kelly, this is Sam.
Hi, Kelly. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sam. It's nice to meet you too.
Well, I have to go now. It was nice meeting you, Kelly. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sam.
Goodbye, Sam.
Let's review. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I'm doing great. Meet my dad. Meet my mom. Meet my sister. Meet my brother. Meet my family. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep on growing.